Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn how to create Google Classroom. First, you are going to download the app from Play Store. Then click on install. I have already downloaded the application. That's why I am just opening it. Then you have two options. If you want to add another account, then click on add account option. Now enter your Gmail and password. Now click on the sign up plus. Then you have two options, create class or join class. Right now we are creating classroom, so we have to click on create class. Now write here the name of your class, then section, your subject, and if you want to write the room number, then you can also write here. Now click on create. Finally, we have created a classroom. Let's do some setting. Here is the invitation link of your class and the class code. And you can set your stream setting according to your preferences. Now save your setting. Thank you.